Welcome to the GemLoupe family. At Pickup Media, we have worked with over 10,000 jewelers worldwide. Throughout the years, we've seen jewelers face many challenges, especially when it comes to product photography. One of the biggest challenges is capturing the natural sparkles in jewellery and gemstones to show potential customers on social media, WhatsApp, and other digital mediums. That's when our team went to work to create the GemLoupe, the world's first smartphone jewellery loupe that features a 5x zoom and a custom sparkle lens, allowing anybody to capture stunning images and videos anytime, anywhere. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know when using the GemLoupe, from setting up to capturing beautiful photos and videos. The GemLoupe Kit. We put so much thought in the design to make GemLoupe a convenient companion anywhere you go. The GemLoupe comes in a custom case and lanyard that you can use during trade shows and whenever you're traveling. The case protects your device when not in use, keeping it in pristine condition while the lanyard adds to its portability. We recommend that you use the lanyard all the time to avoid misplacing the device as it's compact. The smartphone stand holds your smartphone steady when photographing your jewellery. This stand helps avoid camera shake, which often causes blurry photos. The stand is also adjustable. Adjust it to the angle you want in order to capture details you wish to capture. Simply open up the smartphone stand and place the legs into the angle you wish. The kit also comes with a USB-C cable, which will work when plugged into any 5-volt adapter or laptop. When charging, the red light indicates that the battery charge is low, while the solid green light indicates that the battery charge is full and you may unplug it. Lighting options. GemLoupe comes with 3 different lighting settings: Sparkles, White, and Yellow. Sparkles is a direct light source designed to bring out the natural fire and diamond scintillation of your diamond and gemstones. The sparkle light is removable. If you want to capture the sparkles in your gemstones, turn this on by plugging it in at its designated spot and simply unplug it or pull it out to turn it off. The white light is configured at 5500K, which is a neutral light setting. It is used 90% of the time for diamonds and precious stones like sapphires. The yellow light is a 3500K soft lighting that's perfect for gems like emeralds, rubies, and alexandrites. You can also use it for hand photography as it significantly enhances the skin tone. Both the white and yellow light have 3 different light intensities. To change light intensity, keep pressing the side button until you reach the intensity you desire, from low white light to medium and high intensity. The Gem Lightbox application. The Gem Lightbox application was created to capture perfect images and videos of your jewellery. What it does is to optimize your smartphone camera settings for jewellery and diamond photography to ensure best results every single click. With the creation of GemLoupe, we have created and added a custom filter of the same name, GemLoupe. This filter gives you the best photography results, complete with fine details captured using the 5x lens. To install, simply download the Gem Lightbox app from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and follow the download instructions. Then, create an account. If you already have the other Gem Lightbox products, you probably already have the app installed. In this case, you don't need to do anything anymore. Different jewellery lens. The GemLoupe comes with different lenses to allow you to photograph any type of jewellery. First, we have the 5x lens that captures jewellery and gemstones at a 5x zoom. This lens allows you to capture better macro shots and is the perfect option when you want to capture all the fine details of your jewellery. The lens has a focal distance of 5 cm to 10 cm, which means that you must place the jewellery between the ranges of 5 cm and 10 cm or 2 inches to 4 inches. If your jewellery is not within this range, the item will not be focused. Then we have the sparkle lens. This lens is designed to capture all the scintillation from the jewellery. Take note that if you want to capture sparkles, you must use the sparkle lens together with the sparkle light on. Otherwise, you won't get the sparkling result you wanted. Taking photos and videos with GemLoupe. Just like with other Gem Lightbox products, GemLoupe operates based on simplicity and convenience. How to set up the GemLoupe. Step 1. Separate the GemLoupe and the clip. Step 2. Align the opening in the clip to the camera lens. Step 3. Place the GemLoupe onto the clip. Ensure that your smartphone camera lens is exactly aligned with the GemLoupe lens. Otherwise, it's all just a black screen. Take note that you must remove your phone case to install the GemLoupe properly onto your smartphone and ensure both lenses' proper alignment. To power on, use the slide button. Simply slide it to the side to turn on and slide it back to the opposite side to power off. The power button is built for convenience as it records the last light setting that you used, allowing you to shoot with the same setting directly on your next photo shoot. Next, open the Gem Lightbox app on your phone and select the GemLoupe filter. Then, place your jewellery or gemstone within the focal distance of the lens and finally, click to capture. In just one click, you're able to capture studio-quality gem photos and videos with perfect details. Enjoy your GemLoupe and see you on the next update. Simple is possible. Pick up media.